Guess you forgot your galana bin. Can't get loose, get to guts, got your tongue again. Rope burn on your hand, are you numb yet?
We're at the woods. I'm at the woods. But Daisy's with me in spirit. Except she's quite happy now because she hated the woods. A proper sea girl, Sandbanks girl. Up at the woods. A deep healing place for me here. You know, I've unpacked a lot myself and just really benefited by just sinking and being held by nature. Sometimes there aren't words for what happens. You know, sometimes our feelings are just internal dialogue, but in nature it just feels that you can express. It's like the unsaid. It's like the language of trees, the language of life, you know, the cycle of life, language of the birds.